Alright, so before we get into this, you want to make sure that you have the following ingredients. You want to get a pound of shrimp, you want to get a bag of rice, green and red peppers, garlic powder and basil, some honey, soy sauce, and last but not least, some sesame seeds. The very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you prepare your rice. The rice is going to take the longest part, so you want to do this first, so by the time everything is prepared, you have the rice ready. So in this video, we're only going to be using one total pepper. So what I did is I got half of a green pepper and half of a red pepper. You know, you could do a full green pepper, you could do a full red pepper, you could do a full orange pepper, whatever you want. But I only used the green and red pepper in this video. Don't be like me and forget to take the seeds out. Make sure you rip all those seeds out and then start chopping up your peppers. Next, we're going to be creating a type of sauce that we're going to be adding on top of our shrimp. You want to start off by adding 1/4 cup of soy sauce. After that, add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Add another 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of honey. Once you get all of these together in the bowl, make sure that you mix these properly until everything is dissolved. Moving over to the stove, you want to make sure that you have a pan big enough to hold all of your shrimp. Add some oil, heat it up, then add all of the 1 pound of shrimp that you have onto the pan. After about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot your pan is, add your green and red peppers to the shrimp. Again, don't make the mistake that I did and add the seeds with the peppers. Make sure to throw those out. After you do this, make sure to keep on stirring so you make sure that everything gets cooked equally. After about another 5 minutes, when your peppers start to look a little bit cooked, you can add your sauce. Again, make sure to stir everything up so the sauce can get to all parts of the food. Once you think it's ready, get a container and get your rice in there. Then you can finally put your shrimp and peppers on top. And after all that, you now have your meal prep for the week. You can make about 3, you can make 5, you can make 8. It's just all dependent on how much shrimp you have, how much rice you have, and how much of your other materials that you have. If you guys haven't already, make sure to drop a like on the video. Leave a comment letting me know on what kind of foods you want me to make next for these meal prep videos. I will be making a lot more of these if you guys do enjoy them. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.